C4 Corvette here at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Of course, a removable target top. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 81,886 on the odometer at the moment. Let's take a look at this front fascia, nose cone. LT1 power underneath the hood, 5.7 liter, automatic with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, and you can see that front looks good considering miles a year. Admiral Blue. Only 1,006 produced in this color back in 1995. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on an aftermarket Koenig wheel. Radial tires. Technician did note that the tires will need to be replaced in the near future. Tech also noted brakes are 70% in the front, 55% in the rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood in just a bit. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Aftermarket wing in the back. And that is removable. It uses the same bolt pattern as the latch in the center and the two struts on the outer part. So that could be taken off. We'll leave that at the discretion of the next owner. Dual exhaust coming around to the rear. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Corvettes, no matter what generation, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Previous owner of this car had it for a little over 12 years. Did add an aftermarket Kenwood stereo system to it, and let's check out that interior right now. That'd be the smoked transparent target top. Of course, your modern amenities with power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Has been a repair to the seat over here in the bolster, and two-tone interior with the blue inlay on the ebony bucket seats, tilt column, cruise control. All right, let's get this fired up. All right, hopefully you can see those miles. There they are, 81,886. Full fuel tank. You'll note the range, 400 miles. You can go a long way in these. They do get decent mileage. You have a pretty good sized tank. AC is definitely blowing cold. There's that Kenwood installed stereo. Nicely done too. Electronic climate control. Of course, center console. Something else I will note, the steering column on this, nice and firm. If you know anything about C4s, lots of time people will use that to get in and out, and it will start to loosen this column up. Good condition on this car. Nothing crazy over the top with the exhaust. Sounds like a stock LT1. Let's check out the headlights. There is no service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that on either. Look at that. Headlights working in great shape. Take a peek underneath the hood. Here it is, 5.7 liter. Sounds good, looks good underneath here. These cars, a lot of bang for the buck. No doubt about that. Nice performing cars. There you go. 1995 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, actual miles, Admiral Blue. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette with blue paint and blue seats to match. Just that center stripe on the seat does match. Black interior otherwise. And of course the Targa top that is see-through and also tinted blue from the factory. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Got a little bit of traffic we're waiting for. Kenwood stereo in the dash. That works well. This car has plenty of power and very flat handling. It feels quicker to me than it should be, and I'm not sure why that is, but that's a great thing. Tachometer working, speedometer is digital, that is also working. Digital fuel gauge is showing full. Our oil pressure is showing about 60 psi. Oil temperature has not risen yet. Now that's the oil temperature. You don't usually see the oil temperature. It's nice to have that gauge. Our water temperature is 185. The volt gauge is charging over 14 volts, so that looks good. Power seats, power windows. Well-equipped car. I do hear some tire noise, probably just a little bit of the tread making some noise on the blacktop. Brakes feel good. Here's the cornering. This car corners nice and flat. And pushing the throttle down, you feel the G-force. This is a very fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1995 Chevrolet Corvette at UniqueClassicCars.com.